Hello friends, welcome back. Today, I am going to create this. First, create a new comp and rename it Title Animation. You can choose width and height according to you. Right-click here and go to New and choose Text. I am typing Title Animation. But you can type your name or something. Now select this layer and press Ctrl+D for duplicate the layer. Shift this layer like this and rename it Motion Designer. Again, you can type whatever you want. Now it's time to creating mask. Make sure, to create a mask you have selected the same layer. Select this layer, and pick Rectangle tool and drag over the text. Now go to Animate and choose Position. Now go to 30 frame forward and add a keyframe. Then back to the first frame and animate like this. Now select both layer and press U on keyboard to visible all keyframes. Select all these keyframes and right-click on it, go to Keyframe Assistance. Go to Graph Editor and twig the graph like this. Now pick a pen tool and draw the line. Now go to Add and a Trim Path. And animate the end value like this. Now create a rectangle and shift to the bottom of the layers. You can adjust the rectangle according to you. Select this shape layer and press S on keyboard to visible scale property. Now you can animate like this. Now select these 3 layers and shift to the right around 5 frames. And select shape layer and shift 5 frames ahead. Cool, now you can sit back and relax.